Lakini wana penalty, sijui walipiga nani. We have saved a lot of women and children who have come out. We have also received the ADF fighters themselves who surrender with their guns and they give us 2 guns. You look at these guns and you know that most of them have been guns that have been brought to us by surrender. But as of what we have on the Ugandan side is a total of 142 pieces of AK-47 or the SMG, 8 pieces of PKM, the multipurpose machine gun. Then we have 3 pieces of RPG, 1 piece of 60mm mortar, over 8,000 rounds. Recovered arms for PK not less than 1,500, charger ports, walkie-talkies, etc. with over 31 defectors.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.